The best camera for beginners needs to be lots of things all at once. It's got to be easy to use, with intuitive controls and accessible guide modes that take a novice user through its various functions. However, it's also got to offer that same user room to grow, be able to provide them still an exciting photographic experience as they develop. Whether you're looking to add photography to your professional toolbox or you want to start snapping photos for fun, it's best to pick a camera for beginners rather than relying on your smartphone. If you're going to buy one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buying links. Built with travel in mind, the black Lumix DMC-ZS100 digital camera from Panasonic is a versatile point-and-shoot marrying both form and function. It manages to incorporate a large 1-inch 20.1 megapixel high-sensitivity MOS sensor and a 10x optical zoom lens. The 4K capabilities are extended to stills applications too, and allow for 30 frame per second shooting at 8 megapixels, as well as the ability to use post-focus for choosing your specific point of focus after shooting. This camera uses a Leica DC Vario Elmarit lens, which provides a 25 to 250mm equivalent focal length range, along with 5-axis hybrid OIS to minimize the appearance of camera shake for sharper handheld shooting. Its processor and sensor also permit quick continuous shooting, up to 50 frames per second with an electronic shutter, or 10 frames per second with a mechanical shutter, as well as 4K UHD video recording at 30p and 24p frame rates. The camera body is also accentuated by a range of manual control dials, such as a lens surrounding configurable control ring for direct control over zoom, focus, or exposure settings. Next up on the list, we have the Nikon D5600. It is a sleek DSLR that blends multimedia imaging capabilities with versatile wireless technology. This camera offers a sensitivity range from ISO 100 to 25,600 to benefit working in an array of lighting conditions, and the sensor and processor combination also supports continuous shooting up to 5 frames per second for working with moving subjects. The Full HD 1080p video recording is also supported up to 60 frames per second, and time-lapse movies can be created in camera too. Also, it features a massive 3.2-inch 1.037 m.dot rear LCD touchscreen and utilizes a vari-angle design to facilitate better working from high and low shooting angles. You can use Bluetooth Low Energy technology for wireless sharing of photos to your mobile device, including automatic transferring of resized images between the camera and your mobile device for seamless online sharing. In addition to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi with NFC is also available and allows for wirelessly sharing both full-resolution photos and movies to smartphones or tablets. The next product on the list is the Olympus OMD EM3 Mark III. It incorporates a 16.1 megapixel 4/3 live MOS sensor and the dual quad-core TruePic VIII image processor, enabling a variety of fast and powerful functions, including video recording at up to UHD 4K. The camera does retain its intuitive and rugged construction, benefiting from many physical controls as well as a 3.0-inch tilting touchscreen LCD and a 2.36 m.dot electronic viewfinder with an improved 1.23x magnification. Also, it has a robust in-body 5-axis image stabilization system that can compensate for about 4 stops of shutter speed. This camera comes with an upgraded 121-point contrast detect AF system that will help you lock on, track, and capture tack-sharp photos of your subjects. An electronic shutter function is present in the Mark III for even faster shutter speeds and silent shooting. Users can enjoy a high bitrate of 102 megabits per second for crisp, detailed imagery, and there are options for both NTSC and PAL frame rates. Next up on the list, we have the Panasonic Lumix GX8. It utilizes a 16 megapixel live MOS sensor, which lacks an optical low-pass filter for increased sharpness. Also, this camera is capable of shooting continuously at up to 10 frames per second with single-shot autofocus, or 6 frames per second with continuous autofocus, as well as up to 40 frames per second when utilizing an electronic shutter function. A UHD 4K video recording is also supported in 30 and 24 frame per second frame rates, as well as Full HD 1080p, and the 4K recording abilities also permit shooting 8 megapixel stills at a 30 frame per second rate. Also, it offers a sensitivity range up to ISO 25,600, permits working in difficult and low light settings. At the same time, 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization also helps to minimize the appearance of camera shake. This allows for sharper handheld shooting. A built-in Wi-Fi is also integrated into the design, which facilitates wireless image transferring and remote camera control from linked smartphones or tablets. Characterized by its compact profile and refined appearance, the Fujifilm X-T100 is a versatile mirrorless camera perfect for everyday shooting. It has a contrast detection autofocus system as well as sophisticated SR Plus auto settings to depict a wide variety of scene types accurately. The sleek body design incorporates both a 0.62x magnification 2.36 m.0 OLED electronic viewfinder for intuitive eye-level shooting and a 3.0-inch 1.04 m.0 three-way tilting touchscreen LCD that can face forward for accurately composing selfies. The camera body is also distinguished by its black anodized aluminum finish, top-dial controls, and retro aesthetic. Additionally, Bluetooth Low Energy and Wi-Fi allow you to share imagery from the camera to a mobile device wirelessly, and the included rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers up to 430 shots per charge for all-day use. Further, the advanced SR Auto mode automatically recognizes the scene and subject types in order to adjust the camera settings intelligently. Defined by its notably sleek form factor, the black Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is a versatile DSLR offering an ideal mix of stills and video capabilities. It features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C format, CMOS sensor, and Digic 8 image processor. High-resolution stills and UHD 4K video recording are possible, along with an extensive ISO 100 to 25,600 sensitivity range to suit working in a variety of lighting conditions. Benefiting the imaging attributes, the sensor's design also facilitates dual-pixel CMOS AF, which uses phase detection autofocus for quick, accurate, and smooth focusing performance when recording movies or shooting stills in live view. Within the compact body design, a large 3.0-inch 1.04 m.0 touchscreen LCD is featured for intuitive settings control and live view monitoring. It uses a vari-angle design to permit more comfortable viewing from high and low working angles. Additionally, built-in Wi-Fi is available for quick and convenient pairing with a smartphone or tablet for wireless image sharing. And Bluetooth is also featured for image sharing to and remote camera control from a mobile device. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have the Nikon D3500. It comes with a DX format 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and X-Speed 4 image processor, which provides a native sensitivity range from ISO 100 to 25,600 to suit working in a variety of lighting conditions. The sensor and processor combination also provides a 5 frame per second continuous shooting rate, as well as a Full HD 1080p video recording at 60 frames per second. This camera features SnapBridge, which utilizes Bluetooth connectivity for wireless sharing of images to your mobile device, including automatic sharing of 2 megapixel images between the camera and your mobile device. Plus, it incorporates a 3.0-inch 921K LCD screen for live view monitoring and image review. On the other hand, it offers a helpful guide mode to aid in achieving specific photographic looks or techniques, such as how to produce a shallow depth of field imagery in a useful step-by-step manner. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.